Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap for Tuesday, September 3rd. So I took two trades, one on Facebook and one on TVIX. So Facebook actually had a really nice opening range breakup, but unfortunately, I didn't take that trade. I hesitated a little bit, right around this level here. Had a nice little spike, volumes kind of drying up, and then, volume starting to pick up on the buying side, and then got this huge pop, and I didn't really want to chase that. So a better entry would have been right here, right around VWAP. Unfortunately, I didn't take that trade, so it took off without me. Came to previous close here at 185.60. So I wanted to wait for a nice little pullback. So on that pullback here on the 5-minute chart, I saw the 200-day moving average here. So I figured that would be a good entry. Took a smaller size here. I had a 30 cents risk, so I really wanted to get to 185.60 or actually 185.65, which was the high of the day, 185.67, around that range. So took a smaller share size. I also was, at the time when I was hoping that this was going to be a nice little ABCD pattern here. But unfortunately, there was some economic data news that came out. So, with my stop being at VR, right when it got to VWAP, it immediately just dropped because of the news. So I got all out here. So I had a 1 hour loss on this trade. So not too bad. I was hoping to get to 185.65. Thought we can get there with that ABCD pattern forming, but nonetheless, loser on that trade. I immediately also was watching TVIX, and this one I ended up working out pretty well for me. So once that news came out, the SPY started selling off. The TVIX broke VWAP. I immediately took it long here with my stop. I had about a 7 cent risk here, so it was fairly tight. So the break of VWAP was my stop there, and it immediately worked in my direction. So I took profits fairly aggressively because I had a 7 cent stop, so my size was a little bit larger. And yeah, it ended up working out. Got a huge move here, consolidated a little bit. I left a little bit shares on to see, how much more this can actually run. Right when it started breaking up again here, um, I was also seeing this ABCD pattern, as you can see, A, B, and C. I was hoping that it can break the high of the day. So I added to my position here. I added a little bit more, not too much. I got a nice little pop. I immediately took some off, and at that point, I already had my goal for the day, and I just got all out. So on this trade, I was able to make 3.5 R on this trade, and I had 1 R loss on Facebook. So pretty happy with my risk management today. I thought it was fairly difficult to trade this morning in the first 5 minutes, which is pretty much my bread and butters. I was just a little hesitant. I don't know if it was a long weekend, but I'm walking away with 2.5 R for the day. I hope everyone had a good trading day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the chat. Have a good one.